When I started playing hockey when I was younger, I would play every opportunity I could get almost every day. I wanted to play professionally. I'm in my late 60s now. I still have that same passion to want to play and want to play as often as I can. New York Cancer Foundation is a nonprofit organization that was founded by New York Cancer and Blood back in 2014. The first time I heard about the charity event, Hockey for Hope, I signed up right away. It's because that's my dream. I'm Dr. Avvento. I'm a medical oncologist, and I have treated hundreds, if not thousands, of cancer patients over the last 35 years. What a great event. There's family, food, fun, and helping is easy. There are raffles, donations, and volunteering. Or just come and enjoy the game. I get to gear up and play hockey, and we all do it together, fight cancer. We face off against the Suffolk County Sheriffs, but they are with us in unison for helping us raise money for this worthy foundation. I have never played in front of a crowd that big. I have never had to stay on the ice for the national anthem. And to have the game built up to that level, I have never, ever played in a game like that. Hockey is a highly contact sport. Players go head to head all the time. I took a few hits, but that's just part of the game of hockey. You have to keep going out there and fight for the team. You have to be aggressive in playing hockey, and fighting cancer is no different. I watch hundreds of my patients go through chemotherapy every day, and the hits I took were nothing compared to what they go through. You have to be tough to play hockey, but you have to be even tougher to beat cancer. Hockey for Hope is a phenomenal event, and I hope everybody joins us again next year.